Hi and welcome back to Botanic Designs. Well, I have two anthuriums, the Anthurium veroquinum or the Anthurium queen and the Anthurium andrenum. They both have to deal with a different pest. The Anthurium veroquinum has to deal with a fungus and the Anthurium andrenum has to deal with a mealybug. I don't believe in chemical pesticides, so that's why I use neem oil. It's an organic pesticide. I already gave the plants their first treatment last week. Today in this video I want to show you how to spray the neem oil on the leaves and how to treat it, and I will explain you what I did last week. The Anthurium andrenum with the mealybugs, first I gave a physical examination. I looked under the leaves, I looked on the upper part of the leaves, I checked the flowers, and I cut off every part that was infected with the mealybugs. Then I gave it a treatment with the neem oil. Today I will check it again physically, and if there are parts that are infected, I will cut them out and I will give them a spray again with neem oil. In order to support my channel, please don't forget to press like and subscribe. With the veroquinum, I cut out the infected places of the leaves and then I treated it with neem oil. I don't know if it was smart to cut out the infected parts. I consulted some people on different Facebook groups and they said just give it a try, you don't have anything to lose. Anyway, I have a new leaf coming out over here, but my mind said that it would be a great idea to cut out the infected parts and then spray it with neem oil. If it's okay, I don't know. So today I'm going to spray again neem oil on the leaves and then I will let them dry. What do you need? Well, first of all, you need the plants, but you also need to have the neem oil. I have a neem oil of 66%. They sell different concentrations up to 100%. You need the surgical gloves, and I prefer to use these masks. I think that most of the people still have these kinds of masks at home. I will make 200 milliliters of the final solution. So I start putting 100 milliliters of water. I will add 2 milliliters of neem oil and add another 100 milliliters of water, and then I shake it and then it's ready to use on the plants. Of course, you will have to read the instructions of the specific neem oil that you will purchase, but this is what was indicated with my neem oil. I told you, the Anthurium andrenum I will check physically, and if there are any problems, I'm able to take out a leaf or something like that. If there's still a mealybug, I will do that. I will check it on the bottom side of the leaves and the top side, and also the flowers, of course. And once I've checked it physically, and I know that it's clean, I will give it a very good spray with the neem oil. I have to be sure that I spray on top of the leaves and on the bottom parts of the leaves and of course on the flowers. Of course, place your plant in a spot where you can spray freely. Check the wind direction, that the wind is not blowing in your face. Well, and I will start leave it over here after spraying it and until the leaves are dry. I will also spray the Anthurium veroquinum, and that one I will also leave outside. I will not put it back immediately in the IKEA greenhouse cabinet until the leaves are dry, and then I'll put it back. Well, I repeat this every week for at least 1 or 2 months. The Anthurium veroquinum I will leave over here till the leaves are totally dry, and then I will return it to my IKEA greenhouse cabinet. And the other Anthurium, the Anthurium andrenum, I will leave at this spot until the leaves are dry. I will give it water, the medium, and then I will put it back in the original spot. I still have some neem oil left in the sprayer. I'm not going to throw that away. I'm going to use it, for instance, in my garden on my roses. What is very important to make a new solution every week when you treat the plants. Don't use this one and continue using it. A month and a half has passed since I started treating the 2 Anthuriums, and I can tell you that the Anthurium andrenum is totally clean of mealybugs. It's very easy to see. And it's really doing good. You see the beautiful flowers over here. It's developing some new leaves. So this one is really doing good. The Anthurium veroquinum, or the Anthurium queen, had to deal with a fungus, and as I already told you, I cut out the infected spots and gave it a treatment during a month and a half. Well, I can tell you that no new spots have developed. And also the old spots, they didn't spread out. So I can be quite sure that I've killed all the fungus, but to be even more sure, I want to give it another 1 or 2 treatments, so another week or 2 weeks. But it looks very good, and I'm very happy that I succeeded to save this queen. If you like this video, please don't forget to press like, subscribe and the bell, and you will get an update every time I upload a new video. Hope to see you next time.